Wavy Boy Productions.
YouTube, what's happening with it? With Do, man. Welcome back, man. Appreciate y'all checking out that vlog, man. Your boy did pick up another Jordan 1, something that he does like and love. Jordan 1, put like a bag, all that good stuff. Yes, sure, you see it. You know what's happening. We jumping straight into these guys. Fresh about that biz is none other than Jordan 1, first class flight. Man, do you understand me? Do you understand me? Yes, sir. You did. Okay. So, we gonna run through these. I know y'all wanna see them on feet, all that good stuff. Me too. I wanna see how they look on feet, man. I'm trying to figure out what lace I should put in them. But Jordan box, y'all already seen that. Y'all don't really care about that. So, they just toss that guy out the wizard. Oh, I like these, man. It's all about liking what you rock, rocking what you like. That's what I always tell you at the end of the day. Man, it don't matter what nobody else think. These gonna be on your feet, not theirs, man. So, with that being said, let's jump into them. All white, old man, leather on these guys. Nothing spectacular about them. Just standard cow-ass leather on these guys, man. Toe test right there for y'all. Just standard as they come. But let's go ahead and check out the lateral panel of the shoe. All white swoosh. Accents are in that highlighted yellow on these guys. NJ signature is in that upper underlay on that guy. Then just looking at the Tizon, we got all white Tizon, white rope laces. Sorry, white flat laces coming to guy. I don't know why I just want to say rope every time. White flat laces come in the shoe. Tizon all white, black and yellow logo on that Tizon. Then you notice that red stitching that goes down that Tizon as well on these guys. So yes, all red stitching down the tongue. You know what? I had somebody tell me something. Are you speaking English in one of my videos? Man, that my slang, man. Tizon tongue. Y'all get it, man. I just had to tell them that. I was like, man, what, man? You tripping. Anyway, inside panel, which is the medial panel of the shoe, all yellow highlighter swoosh on that guy. Understand me. Then we got 2-3 at that bottom right in there. In that waist logo, recycling, whatever you want to call that guy. Then take a look on that back end. Yes, sir. We got all NJ stats. We'll start with points per game. Career points, 32,292 points, which he averaged 30.1 points per game. Then next will be the rebounds, career rebounds, 6,672 rebounds. He averaged 6.2 rebounds in his career. And lastly, on that side panel, on that barcode, is the assist, which is 5,633 assists, which he averaged 5.3 assists for his career. He did. So nice little stat that they put on. But my favorite part is this fake off-white. I don't call it fake because it's not Virgil's collab that they put on it. Something different. I have no clue to what that means on these shoes. I ain't even gonna act and, you know what I'm saying, flex like I know what it is. But the one thing y'all probably notice is this perforated leather, which if you look on the Nike sneaker app, when they give you the description of the shoe, it said perforated. For y'all that don't know what that means, that's just holes that go throughout the leather, which allow it to breathe. That's what the perforated holes, that's what the perforated means as far as the leather. It's not nothing special, so don't even think that. Now let's go ahead and look at that insole. We got that all yellow insole. Jump, man, I'm sorry, Nike Air is in black on the guy. And then lastly, as we finish out looking at this shoe, we got yellow flat laces that come on the outside as well, man. ending it off with the highlighted yellow outsole on these guys, man. So I know some people ain't like them, some people slap on them. It is what it is, man. At the end of the day, like what you rock what you like. That's what I always tell you. My opinion, I cop. You already know what's happening. About to hit y'all with these on feet, man. I said I'm about to hit y'all with these on feet, man. I ain't gonna lie, I may go back and try to get another pair just so I can customize and make it like a different black and yellow Jordan 1. You know your boy still got all his paintbrushes, all that good stuff right up here as we speak. But, man, appreciate y'all checking out that review with your boy. You did, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. It's free. It's your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mitch. Other than that, man, I ain't gonna wait no more time, man. Is y'all ready for the on feast? I said, is y'all ready for the on feast? Well, let's get it, man. YouTube, man, appreciate y'all checking out them on feats from your boy. Hope y'all like that look that I gave y'all. Love them. Just want to give y'all some good looks to get y'all vibe and opinion of what y'all thought about these first class flight Jordan 1s. Down below, if y'all still have not liked, comment, or subscribe to the channel, man, I appreciate it if y'all do, man. If y'all like stuff like this, I'm not hounding y'all too, but you know what I'm saying, your boy, you know, I appreciate it. Other than that, man, it's been your boy Sneakerhead Money Mitch. It's always like I tell every last one of y'all at the end of the day. I'm talking about at the end of the day. Make sure every last one of y'all that put on y'all shoes, man, like what y'all rock, man, and rock what you like. It's me, your boy Sneakerhead Money Mitch, screaming, gang gang, man. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Got a hot down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wait. I swear to God, man, all my people.